touched on was that we do have a good base of affordable housing in the neighborhood as a model, and it's a model for more. And it is definitely part of the solution and not part of the problem. And here's a fabulous quote: "I could have a whole other life if I could just be in affordable housing. Living in an SRO limits my capability of being a grandmother." You know, and you heard other comments here too. We do need to speed up the replacement of the hotels. 53 years is shameful. So gentrification is eroding and destroying the Aboriginal and low-income community, and the conditions are obviously deteriorating in the Downtown Eastside. So why stop it? Why? Some reasons. We're a real community. It's humane. Pushing people out is just going to move the problem. It's not going to solve it. New property owners don't support the safety net in this neighborhood that we've built, and they're putting it at risk. And this is a bit academic. Gina and I have been working on this, so I'll try it out here and see what you think. But we have epidemiological evidence, like medical evidence, that shows, it's called the positive group density effect. And it means in developed countries, there's health advantages to concentrating people that are from so-called marginal communities. Actually, you're better off if you're poor amongst a whole bunch of you than if you're poor and stuck somewhere amongst a bunch of rich people. And people say here all the time that if they're monks, if they have to live in a big condo tower at the bottom of a condo tower, that they actually don't, it reminds them that they're poor. And that's a continual kind of tension and stress that we don't want to have to deal with. We want to meet people from outside, but we want to meet them on our terms where we're equal and not less than equal. So the last thing to say is, again, that we're a strong Aboriginal low-income community, and how could the province help us stop gentrification? That's the key. We could say this to the city, it would be slightly different, a different recipe, but what do we need from the province to save Vancouver's best low-income neighborhood? So you probably know them though, right? So we want effective rent controls to stop the rent increases in the hotels. We want the 500 units a year being built in the Downtown Eastside of social housing, not socially mixed in a condo tower, but regular good old-fashioned social housing. And we want help increasing the abysmal welfare rates, because it's so important. So I don't know, how much more time do you have, you guys? 5 minutes. So if people want to ask questions, or if maybe Carole should respond first.